Well, what I wish if God had willed it so, we had recovered Syria's plain, and the valiant emperor might also have won back Lombardy again, and the worthy Count Duke and Marquess go, and he'll win back the Vivarais domain. For thus it would be pleasing to my brain, such a desire has taken me, as you may know, that of these matters I would fain. What right is reign? Marseille, all is Avignon, there they hold one same way, and Carpentras and Cavalion and Valence and I say. Vienna and Le Puy and the Drôme is line should have the most sovereign king so fine, that from here to Turkey's Bay none wears hose nor spurs that shine with worth, or if worth in him not stay, in vain is his play. Just as a ship's worth more at sea than a hollow log or a skiff's array, and a boar's haunch more than a sparrow's plea, and a fine gift than a weary delay. So the Count is worth more than another barren heath, for by taking from the false and giving to the true each day, he follows the path of valor, and always he climbs in worth, never falling free, and holds the mastery, I say, of doing rich deeds for The Count of Toulouse is worth so much he does, and so much gives sway, that he flatters no man by a gentle touch, for ill whoever he may be, I say. Such is he as I would ask for, just, lavish, bold, and a lover of joy's display, frank of fair company's play, truthful, guarding right without rust, loyal without falsehood's fray, fair of gentle speech always. At Toulouse there is a raiment so bright, the Count whom God's own guidance leads, that just as water springs from a fountain's height, from him spring chivalry's deeds. For against the worst men living quiet, he defends himself in the whole world he meets, nor French nor clergy's bleeds, nor other folk stand against his might, but to the good he bows and pleads, and the evil he defeats. So high above the world resounds his lordship without